This property which about I talking is 22,000 quadrat meters on a beautiful place here on South Beach, where it is golden sand, little high, but on unbelievable panorama at the sea, at the gold, close to a new complex. I will show you the complex. Here, this is a new complex. On this side is a new complex. On this side is a golden sand with black sea and a beautiful sand. It's a very big six, seven, maybe more than 10 meters. It's a beach, and all beach is more than 7 kilometers long, because observe this town maybe will be more than sunny beach, good because have nature, have not only nature, because this nature is not full like sunny beach with complexes. And here have sand, have mountain, have sea, have everything. Okay, that's it.